Embu County has been in a position to make history by having the first Madam Governor in Kenya when Senate confirmed the impeachment of its Governor Martin Wambora. But with two cases filed by Wambora pending in court contesting his ouster, the entire scenario is now complicated for his deputy Dorothy Nditi to inherit his seat under the provisions of Article 182 Part 2 of the Constitution of Kenya, which would have made her an automatic governor of Embu County for the remainder of the 5-year term. As a matter of procedure, and which was borrowed from the assumption of office of the president provisions, the swearing in of a governor is done by a high court judge, but in the case of Nditi, the judiciary would be unwilling to swear her in, owing to the case pending in courts. But to avert a leadership crisis in the county assembly will now have to contend with Dorothy Nditi in an acting governor's capacity under the provisions of Article 179 Part 5 of the Constitution, which says when a county governor is absent, the deputy governor shall act as the county governor.
The members of the county assembly have agreed together to give her the support that she requires as we wait for the dust to settle down.
In this capacity, her roles are provided for under Section 32 Part 4 of the County Governments Act of 2012, which outlines that when acting in office as contemplated in Article 179 Part 5 of the Constitution, the deputy governor shall not exercise any powers of the governor to nominate, appoint or dismiss that are assigned to the governor under the Constitution or any other written law.
We have asked Dorothy Nditi to continue discharging the duties, the functions and the powers of a governor until all matters are settled.
As such, Dorothy can discharge all duties of the governor save for the powers to hire and fire. This provision has saved the entire Executive Committee of Embu County, which the Constitution in Article 179 Part 7 says they cease to hold office when the governor is removed from office. The cases filed by Wambora could not commence today because one of the 3 judges appointed by the Chief Justice requested to be exempted from the case, a request that the Chief Justice reportedly declined. The case is expected to be heard at a Kerugoya court before the 3 judges, Justices Hedwig Ongunda, Cecilia Gadua and Boaz Olao. And as Wambora's impeachment raises dust, governors move to the High Court in Nairobi to file a petition seeking a constitutional interpretation on his impeachment. Through their lawyers Issa Mansour and Peter Wanyama, governors want the court to determine whether the grounds raised for impeaching Wambora met the constitutional threshold. Kendagor Obadiah for Monday Special.